Marion John, a 12-year-old girl, a pupil from Fountain Gate Academy, here to teach you about the nervous system. First, what is the nervous system? The nervous system is a system that deals with the coordination of animal body with its external environment. When I say animal body, I don't mean animals which surround us. I mean living organisms, for example, us human beings and other living creatures. The nervous system has 4 main components in it, namely the brain, the nerves, the spinal cord, but also the sensory organs. First, let us go and see the brain. The brain has 3 main parts, namely the cerebellum, also known as the forebrain, the cerebellum, also known as the midbrain, the medulla oblongata, also known as the hindbrain, and the spinal cord. But also, the brain is the front and large part of the spinal cord, and also it is situated in a bone known as the skull, and is protected by the same bone known as the skull, and it is surrounded by an upper membrane here known as the meninges. That is about the brain. Let us go and see about the cerebellum. What is the cerebellum? The cerebellum, it is the largest and biggest part of the brain. As you can see, it takes a whole part here in the brain diagram. The functions of cerebellum: it controls voluntary action, it stores memory, and it is also concerned in memory, thinking, concentration, and intelligence. That is about the cerebellum. We go and see the cerebellum. The cerebellum, it controls body balance, also body posture. For example, if you want to learn your body posture, we take a good example are those people who drink alcohol. When a person taking alcohol, the alcohol goes straight to the brain in the part of the cerebellum, and it ruins or affects it. That's why you see most of people who take alcohol, they stagger. They cannot stay in one place. They cannot have the concentration or the friction that is supposed to be there. That's why we advise people to not take alcohol, because it's bad for your health and also the cerebellum. We go to the medulla oblongata. The medulla oblongata controls involuntary actions. And what are involuntary actions? Involuntary actions are actions that do not happen under our will and control. For example, heartbeat, blood circulation, breathing, and so on. But also, the medulla oblongata controls the relaxation and contraction of the blood vessels. That is the medulla oblongata. Beneath here, we have the backbone, also known as the vertebral column. The main function of the backbone is to protect and guide the spinal cord. Without this backbone, or if one of these backbone breaks, you paralyze immediately or you die, because a spinal cord is a very delicate organ in the body. And also beneath here, beneath the brain, we have a gland known as the pituitary gland. The pituitary gland is found in the hormonal gland, or also known as the endocrine gland. It is also known as the master gland, the main gland, and also the chief gland, because it controls all other glands in the endocrine system.